Hey everyone! Exciting news in the world of Apple. We are finally about to get the new AirPods 4th generation, and in this video, I'll be walking you through all the fantastic features that are coming along with them. Plus, make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll also be giving you updates on the highly anticipated AirPods Max 2 and AirPods Pro 3. If you're like me, you probably love the AirPods for their simplicity and ease of use, but let's be honest, there's one feature that always made me lean towards the AirPods Pro, Active Noise Cancellation, ANC. Even though I'm not the biggest fan of how the Pro version fits, the ANC is just too good to pass up when you're on a plane or in a noisy environment. Well, it looks like Apple is about to change that. They are rumored to be releasing 2 versions of the 4th gen AirPods, and we could be seeing them as soon as next week at the iPhone event. At this upcoming event, Apple is expected to unveil 2 new AirPods models, a low-end version and a mid-tier version, both with improved sound quality, better fit, and the long-awaited USB Type-C port for the charging case. But here's the kicker, the mid-tier AirPods 4 will have active noise cancellation. This means we'll be getting ANC without having to jump up to the Pro models, and that's a game changer for a lot of us who prefer the comfort of the standard AirPods. There's also talk of a built-in speaker in the charging case for tracking with Find My. Pretty sweet, right? Now, if you're a Pro fan, don't worry. Apple hasn't forgotten about you. The rumored AirPods Pro 3 are expected to come with even better noise cancellation than the current generation. Apple claims the Pro 2 already offers up to twice the ANC compared to the original Pro, so the next gen should be even more impressive. There's no firm release date yet for the Pro 3, but some rumors suggest we might see them soon, although, according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple might hold off until 2025 for the big Pro upgrade. Stay tuned, as we'll keep you posted on that. And let's not forget about the AirPods Max. These have been long overdue for an upgrade, and it looks like we might finally get some changes this year. We're not expecting a complete overhaul, though. The only rumors so far suggest new color options and a shift from the Lightning port to USB Type-C. Unfortunately, there's no word on the H2 chip making its way into the AirPods Max, which means features like adaptive audio and improved battery life might be missing from this update. But hey, let's keep our fingers crossed for something more significant later on. So, what do you think of these upcoming AirPods 4 and the potential upgrades to the Pro 3 and Max 2? Are you excited about the ANC coming to the standard model, or are you waiting for something more from the Pro or Max lines? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you're as eager as I am for Apple's upcoming event, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.